G'day, ladies and gentlemen. Take two. It's the evening for me on a Friday evening, 9:15 in Australia, in Victoria, Melbourne area. I got myself some happy mail. Yay! From the beautiful crafter lady, Perfectly Imperfect crafting. I am so excited. I think this is my first happy mail I got. Yay. First of all, I'd like to share also, I brought myself, a little bracelet or jewelry kit. So I've made bracelets. Yeah, it was for bracelets. So I wanted to share my bracelets that I had made. What do you think? I think these are cute. I love bracelets. So these were in the kit. It's 5 flowers. So I made 5 bracelets. I got plenty more beads to make more. I don't know if you can see the beads. What do you think of these bracelets? I didn't get them all the right size, the same size. You can see that one's a bit bigger and that one's a bit smaller. But I tried. My first go at making jewelry. I was so excited. So there they are. And they're stretchy, so you just roll them on. That little black and white one. There's a pink one. There's a blue one. There's a white one. Little white flower. And a little red flower. Really lovely. I really enjoyed making that. I think it was just so much fun. Yeah, with the colours. And usually you just roll them off. Anyway, so that was fun. That was my first go. So we'll open this. I'm just excited and I really appreciate it. I love Happy Mail. And my address is on my main page there if you have a look. You're most welcome to send Happy Mail. Yeah. Anyway, I'd like to do this and then I'm going to put it in I'm going to use 2 junk journals. So I'll put some in each one. So I'd like you to join me and I will speed it up a little because it could be a little bit long. I don't know. I'm just going to enjoy doing it. So I hope you're going to enjoy this. This is beautiful. It feels beautiful. It feels homemade envelope. Oh, I just covered that up because that's the sender's address. Interesting thing is that here in Australia, I remember when I was younger in school, we would put the sender's address there, but now the sender's address for Australia, when we do it, is on the back, which is interesting, isn't it? Yeah, but a lot of parcels still come with the sender on the front, but I thought it was beautiful. I really loved it. Oh, it just feels great. Okay, so you're going to share it with me and have a look, see what I do. Oh, it feels beautiful.